it used to not fit me. Like it used to be big, but now with belly bump, it fits well. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, and welcome if you're new. My name is Helen. Today I am prepping for my trip that's coming up. So I'm traveling tomorrow. I'm traveling to Scotland and I'm prepping right now. Yesterday I did a video, a day in my life. Yesterday was Sunday. I was supposed to get my nails done in that video, which would have been part of the prep for this trip, but I couldn't because the nail salon wasn't open yesterday. So I'm going to the nail salon today, right now, to get my nails done, and then I'll come back home. I'll pack my luggage first, and then I'm gonna get my hair done. So probably get my hair done into the night. I'll get my hair done into the night because it's already getting late and I'm just about to start. Well, I washed my hair. If that helps, then at least I've gotten something done. Anyway, I'm gonna go get my nails done now. I hope that they have availability. I hope it's not busy. Being a Monday, I don't think it should be busy because I didn't schedule an appointment. So I'm hoping that I could get someone to get my nails done, to do my nails for me as soon as I get there. And I'm not doing anything crazy. I just want to usually I do gel nail polish, but right now I want to do, I don't even know, I think the regular one, just put nail polish. It's not gel, the one where you have to use the fan or just, you know, natural air to get it dry rather than putting it under the lights. Because as I mentioned in my last vlog, I am pregnant, and so babes is not in support of me putting my hand under that light while I'm pregnant. So we're not gonna do any of that. So I normally do gel. I normally do gel nail polish where I have to put my hands under the light, but this time around I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna do regular nail, and I hope it lasts me, even if it's just on my trip 1 week. I'm okay with that. But yeah, let's go. That's the nail salon right there, K Nails and Spa. It's just a 1 minute drive, honestly, even less than 1 minute. They don't have an availability right now. They want me to come back at 5. That's like 30 minutes time, but I don't have time. I guess I should have called them, but you know, again, being Monday, still work time. I didn't think that, well, it's not full, right? Like there's not a lot of people there. Are only 2 customers there, or 2 clients. But I guess because they also know Mondays are not always busy, they don't have enough nail tech. They only have 2 nail tech. I'm like, great. Maybe if I'd come just a little bit earlier, because one guy just got in before me. Well, maybe he had an appointment. But anyway, I'm gonna come back. I'm just gonna go home and start packing, and I'll leave in between, come get my nails on and go continue to pack. As I was not able to get my nails done, I might as well start packing. But you know the annoying part is it's already 5 o'clock. It's already 5 o'clock. So should I really just go now, or should I just continue this packing? I don't even know. I think I'm just going to do this part of the video, and then I'll go get my nails done and I'll come back. So because we're still in the process of concealing this pregnancy, I bought this outfit from Shein to, honestly, I don't even know if it's going to conceal anything. But the good part is I'll be in Scotland. Last, I will not take photos. I mean, I'll take photos, but I will take strategic photos, you know. I'll place myself strategically so that the bump won't show, because I'm going to upload these photos. Anyways, let's open the bag. I've received this package for what, maybe a month now? Maybe like a whole month now I've received it. And the funny thing is, I also ordered a to-do pad, to do like notebook, to do notebook for work. And I just started doing a list, like my to-do list on my computer instead of using the notebook. Like I could have just come in here and removed that at least, but no, no. So this is a notebook or notepad. This is what it looks like. All right, let's see what we have here. Here. I bought this pants because you see this one that I'm currently wearing, It used to not fit me. Like it used to be big, but now with belly bump, it fits well. The rest of my pants, they don't fit because you know a lot of the times, for example, those high waist pants, you put them on your belly, but you know, again with the belly bump, they won't fit. So I got something that I can adjust. I thought I could. Okay, there's elastic. I think it should work. But I thought this was so I could adjust it. But now I'm just saying that it's just there for decoration. For real, decoration. The reason why I bought it is because there's this thing and I can adjust the waist as I see fit. But no, it's decoration. But again, thankfully there's the elastic band at the back, so I think it will work. Is it big? Whatever, I'm gonna wear it like that. And then there is this two-piece set. This one seems like it's gonna be tight. It's not stretchy enough. And I don't want to be uncomfortable. I don't want to put an elastic band on my belly and then it's getting me uncomfortable. But this is it. It's a two-piece set. It's gonna be very, like, top seems like it will be very comfortable on my skin. You know, it's also still March, so that means it's still a little cold. So even in Scotland, it will still be a little cold. That's why I got like sweater like two-piece sets, just to be comfortable. So that's that. And this is a trench coat, something like that. I like it. The sleeve is short too, right, babes? Oh, it's manageable.
It's alright.
It's alright. There's that. And there's this other two-piece set. Very similar to this other two-piece set, the nude-ish color one, or beige, I don't know. But I think this top is turtleneck. Okay, it's not turtleneck, but it's not the same neckline as the first one. This is what it looks like. What else? What else did I buy? That's it? Okay, there's one more thing. What the heck is this? Oh boy. This was not the material when I chose it though. Yeah, bammy. Seems like it's gonna be tight as well. Ah, this one is too big, oh. What are we doing? I'll wear it. If it feels too big, I won't take it with me. But I'll keep it somewhere in the house because, you know, we're not returning anything. There's no point. It's too stressful. But everything else looks good. I'll be taking everything with me except for this black pants. So, honestly, I know I said I wanted to film like this part of the vlog will be packed with me. But to be honest, I don't know what to pack yet besides this that I bought. I don't know the outfits to pack yet. I'm not exactly prepared at this point, and I feel like by the time I get prepared it will be already late, so I may not continue this packing part of the video. I'll just go do my nails now and I'll jump into getting my hair done later on. So the idea is supposed to be go get my nails done now, get my hair done, and then come back later and pack this clothes. But like I said, it's gonna be already late at the time, so I don't think I'm gonna film that. And I'm not surprised. This is how I get to do every time. Like, this is me. I feel like I've been telling myself I'll pack since Saturday, but today is Monday and I leave tomorrow and I still haven't packed. Again, I'm not surprised because I feel like I do best when I pack like 1 hour before, right, babes?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
If it's not last minute, nothing will come to my head. I just wouldn't know what to pack. But you see that last minute, like if it means that I have to sleep 2 hours before the flight, if it's an early morning flight, I will do so. It's an evening flight tomorrow and I'm going to work. So that means I have to pack tonight. Whether it's the middle of the night, whether it's 3 a.m, I have to pack.
Sure.
That's what we're gonna do. But right now nothing is coming to my head in terms of outfits except for this one. So we're just gonna leave it at that. Now I'm gonna go get my nails done. Let me not get there and they tell me that they don't have availability again. No, I will fight. We will what? We will fight. Alrighty. That's it. It's crisps. Doesn't smell like anything. Does not have a smell. Alrighty, I'm out. Oh boy. Popping. That I tried one. It's fast today.
What we are to look waiting.
Yeah, it's very fast. I'm like, you're already done. So yeah, you guys know I use Revit. I Revit it. You can go ahead. I Revit it. I'm doing crochet. I showed you the crochet I bought yesterday. Well, technically this is a separate video, so I'll show you. I can't reach. If not, I'll show you. But I'm doing butterfly locks crochet. I got my nails done. This is what it looks like. And I did white on my toes. You saw that already. Once I finish my hair, I'll go pack my bag. Progress. Now I look like an egg. So we just finished this part. Crocheting is the next. That should be quick. Then I can finally go pack. It's already late, you guys, and I have to work tomorrow morning. It's not bad. I feel like if you feel the middle, it will cover up. I don't think the front is bad.
Check the side.
Can't see the side.
Oh,
You have to take photo.
just
To do my
pack it up.
sorrow,
You know,
I tell you.
Abi, pack it to the.
I am all set to marry Ali relation. Anyway, thank you very much.
No problem.
I'm so glad, honestly, and it's not even 11 p.m. yet.
Mm.
I tried. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Mo pa ma ite ṣetán.
I need to go pack my bag, yo. I need to go pack my bag.
Hopefully, I'm ready.
It's past midnight. I finished everything. I finished packing. I just wanted to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, all this fun stuff. And I'll see you in my next. Bye.